Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here at PEGS Boston. I'm delighted to be joined by Robert Mahoney, who is the Chief Scientific Officer at Comera Life Sciences.
Yep.
And we're going to find out more about Comera Life Sciences and why they're here. So first of all, Bob, it's lovely to see you. How are you?
Great, thanks for joining me.
Well, today's day 3 of the event, Bob. So before we start talking about Comera Life Sciences, how has PEGS been for you so far?
It's been great. So we're here in Boston today, and we're able to meet a bunch of people representing different pharma companies and vendors and instrument companies and CDMOs. So we've made a lot of good contacts, and we've seen some old friends as well.
Brilliant, I'm glad to hear it. Now, for those people who are not familiar with Comera Life Sciences, could you give me an overview of the company?
Absolutely. Comera is a company, we've been around for a little over 8 years now. And we started out, we were originally called Reform Biologics, and we were based in Cambridge. Now we've moved to Woburn, and Comera Life Sciences is expanding our mission. So what we do is we develop a formulation platform of new excipients that can make better formulations of protein therapeutics like antibodies.
Right, okay. Now, how do biologics move from IV to SQ foods?
Great question. So this is one of the really important areas for Comera. So the reason that we're here is because we think that patients will benefit by converting their drugs to be administered from IV, which is currently done with a lot of drugs, to subcutaneous. And when you do IV administration, the patient has to go to a healthcare center, has to have an IV set up. It takes more time, and it requires travel and inconvenience, as well as discomfort. For subcutaneous, the patient can self-administer at home. So it's a real benefit. Physicians prefer it and patients prefer it.
Right, okay. And this new platform that you developed, do you have a name for it?
Yeah, we call our technology platform SQore, which is SQore, so it's for subcutaneous use. And again, it's excipients. We've got a library of over 200 excipients that we've developed, and we have a number of patent applications pending and several issued US patents on our platform. And these are used to make lower viscosity, better stability, and better formulations overall.
Right, and so what are you talking to Big Pharma about in relation to SQore?
Well, there's a couple ways we do that. So when we meet with pharma companies, we can collaborate with a pharma company to take a drug that they're currently manufacturing, and if it's currently produced and marketed as an intravenous drug, we can help them to make a better formulation for subcutaneous administration. So right now, Comera is partnering with 3 pharma companies, and that work's ongoing now. So we're talking to people about that here this week.
Brilliant. Now, I also know that you spoke actually today. So what did you talk about?
Yes, I gave a talk today about our use of our SQore excipient, and I'll give you a big reveal here. The excipient is caffeine. So I know everyone's familiar with caffeine as a molecule and as something we consume, but caffeine is a excipient now, and it's something that can be added to a formulation to make a better formulation. What it does is it reduces the viscosity of your protein formulation when it's made at high concentration. This is necessary in order to deliver it by subcutaneous administration. So caffeine helps you get there. I presented that data and gave some examples of the work that our team has done on that and what has recently been published in a journal article.
Fantastic.
Yep.
So what can we expect going forward from Comera Life Sciences?
Going forward, we're going to be very busy. It's a really good thing for us. We've been building our company now, the underlying technology, for 8+ years. We have a fantastic team. And the next upcoming period of time, we've got a lot of new things happening. So we have developed this technology platform. As I mentioned, we have 3 partnerships with pharma companies, which we intend to carry forward to licenses. And then in addition to that, we're also launching our own biologics. So we have a pipeline of new drugs. And for a relatively new company to start a pipeline of new drugs, that's a huge undertaking, and it requires a lot of capital to do a project like this. So we've recently set in place the steps needed to access capital through the markets. And so we will now be building our pipeline to move that forward, and that pipeline will incorporate the SQore technology.
That's really exciting. Well, I wish you lots of success with that. So, if people can't see you here at PEGS this week, where else can they meet you and how else can they get more information?
Yes, thanks for asking. Our company's based in Woburn, Mass, just outside of Boston, and our website is comeralifesciences.com. You can meet us here at the PEGS conference this week, and we'll also be at some of the other conferences later this summer at the Bio Conference in San Diego and the Protein Stability Conference in Colorado. You can contact us through the website. We're interested in partnering, and we're interested in out-licensing our technology.
Brilliant. Well, look, Bob, it was lovely to meet you, genuinely. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week here in Boston. And
Thank you.
Good luck with the rest of the activity. It sounds very, very exciting stuff, so good luck with that. There you go, viewers. If you would like to know more about Comera and you are here in Boston and can visit PEG and come and talk to the team at the Comera Life Science booth, if you cannot make it, then you can see the team at Bio and other events. And if you can't do that, you can go and visit their website and go to the link page, or get in touch with Bob directly on LinkedIn. I'm sure he'll be happy to answer the questions you've got. So with that, Bob, thank you very much once again, and thank you viewers for watching. Until next time, stay well, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.